Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. That the US enters a financial depression as FOMC participants continue to foresee growth and low unemployment rates. Bitcoin spiked above $40,000 as the Federal Reserve announced it would hike interest rates and shrink its balance sheet. The peer-to-peer currency had been consolidating below that level for nearly a month with momentary spikes in the daily chart. It is unclear whether the level will hold. In addition to Bitcoin, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. And second news today opinion US Treasury confirms we can remove illicit activity from Bitcoin FUD dice. It's time to take illicit activity off the FUD dice. Earlier this month, the US Department of the Treasury published reports that indicated that the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies 2021 yearly crypto review by Token Insight revealed some noteworthy trends by coins in the multi-chain DeFi space. First and foremost, the report took a look at Ethereum's sliding dominance, which has not been subtle. The report stated, compared to 2020, Ethereum dominance declined from 99% to 70%. Looking at data from 2022 shows how this decline has only continued through the first 3 months of the year. As of 13 March, Ethereum's TVL was only 54.73% of the total. Chains with rising dominance include Terra with a share of 12.48% and Avalanche with a share of 5.51%. Terra, Solana and Avalanche became later competitors since September. That said, 2022's stats did show that BSC and Solana have been falling in terms of TVL share. Time to spread your wings. Naturally, these changes in TVL dominance raise the question of whether or not Terra and Avalanche could be the new winners. Token Insight reported that Avalanche had a good summer wave in 2021, and since then, Avalanche's TVL has grown, dipped, and then recovered to hit 5.51%. Meanwhile, Terra's Luna has been the apple of many investors' eyes since its 2022 rallies. The asset is also won over DeFi players, thanks to its rising TVL. However, according to Token Insight, Terra's anchor lending protocol, now with a TVL of $12.6 billion, appears to be struggling with sustaining its high yield. But despite these changes, it might not be time to throw Ethereum out the window just yet. The biggest alt by market cap in TVL has been seeing a month with average gas fees each day falling well below 100 GWI. With high fees often being a reason for investors to turn away from Ethereum, it remains to be seen whether this fall in prices will lead to a resurgence in Ethereum's TVL dominance. Phantom of the TVL Token Insights report found that Phantom is one of the chains enjoying great success. However, since the shock departures of Andrei Kronj and Anton Nell, members of the Phantom Foundation, Phantom's TVL has seen a sharp drop. National Bank via centralized exchange. Alexander Burnaikov, Ukraine's Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, said in a statement, "Cryptocurrencies are critical to Ukraine's military. Cryptosats have proven to be incredibly helpful in enabling the flow of funds to Ukrainian residents and soldiers, as well as in raising global awareness and interest." Target. $200 million, almost $100 million in virtual currency has been sent to aid the people of Ukraine in recent weeks, Bornikov added. The Ukrainian government is also accepting cryptocurrency donations, having secured around $54 million as of March 11, or approximately a quarter of the platform's $200 million objective. Fiat donations to Ukraine's central bank are also accepted in a variety of currencies. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? Ampere Prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. Ampere Prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Ampere Prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. Ampere Prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. Ampere Prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. Ampere Prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. Ampere Prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP. The average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.